Hi, welcome back to Kpopandkurls. Today we are going to be looking at some hair care products at the store. I really like tgin. No, not tgin. I like the Design Essentials stuff, but I really like this. Wait, is it this one? I think it's this one. And it's $37.99. That's crazy. Like, what? I just go to Kroger and get it for cheap. You got it?
And I just kind of want to look
Okay. I tried this and it's actually really good. I'm not sold completely on it, so, but this is really nice though. Oh, I want to try this line. Oh my gosh, yes. Oh wow, I didn't know Pinky Curly came out with something. Sea, Sand, and Sun, I love that. I feel like there's not a lot of beachy stuff for black people, so it's nice to have. It's nice to have something that's like beachy themed. Let's see. I can't really see the ingredients. That sounds crazy. I'll probably try and make another aloe vera gel that has more ingredients. Let me show you guys my favorite product. This is nice, but I love this. Love it. I'll show you guys what it does to my hair because it's amazing. Seriously. I've had this. It's alright, but it never really works for me, so. Oh, I feel like I'm your store person.